Hey there, let's see how you can turn off the Facebook share button to stop others from sharing your Facebook post using your iPhone or Android. For that, first you have to open up your Facebook app and now find or create the post you don't want others to share. So just press the audience button right under your name, and now from this multiple option you have to choose friends as an audience instead of public. This will instantly remove the share option from your post, and from now only your friends can see and they won't be able to share it. Additionally, if you're using professional mode or have a digital creator account, don't worry, the process is exactly the same. Changing the audience to friends is the only way to disable the share button. So remind it, if it's saved to public or friends of friends, people can still share your post. I hope this guide helped you a lot. Like the video and subscribe for more tips.